Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your PS5 is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. In this guide, we will go through some essential maintenance steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. These are essential for safely accessing the internal components of your PS5. Begin by turning off your console and unplugging all cables. This is crucial for your safety. Now, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off. This exposes the internal components of your PS5. Here, you'll want to clean the fan and heatsink to prevent overheating. Using the microfiber cloth, wipe away any dust accumulation. For deeper cleaning, lightly moisten the cloth with isopropyl alcohol. This will ensure that you're not just moving dust around but actually cleaning the surfaces. If you're unsure about performing this maintenance yourself, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand the state of your console before making any decisions. Next, you'll want to check the hard drive. Make sure there aren't any loose connections. If you find any issues, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your PS5 serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once you've completed the cleaning, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the console. After this, plug your PS5 back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises. If you hear anything out of the ordinary, it might be time for a more thorough inspection. Lastly, if you want to be proactive, consider scheduling regular maintenance checks. This is where our service shines. We offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. It's a great way to ensure your console remains in peak condition. Regular maintenance not only helps with performance but also extends the life of your PS5. By following these steps, you can keep your console running smoothly for years to come. And remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, our team is here to help, offering professional diagnosis and convenient service options. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.